Yoo-hoo! Welcome back to my channel! Hello guys, how are you today guys? Let's go! We are going to make an adventure. We are going to search and rescue animal. Look at that guys! What is that? Very gray and big. This is an elephant. Wow! Let's put in there guys. Okay, let's go. We are going to find another one. Okay, what is that? Very high and tall. Wow, do you know what is this guys? This is a giraffe. Wow, very tall. Wow, let's put in here guys. Okay, let's go find another animal. Where is it guys? Wow, I see something there. Wow, what is that? Wow, let's take a look. So, wow, what is this guys? This is a lion. Let's put in here. Okay, go find another one guys. Ooh, I hear something in there. Ooh, what is this? This is very black. Whoa, let's take a look. This is a black panther, guys. Do you know black panther? Okay, let's go find another one, guys. Ooh, I see something in there. Pink in there. Ho. What is this? This is a pig. Wow, very cute. The little pig. Okay, let's go find another one, guys. Wow, what is that? That is a zebra with white and black stripes. Okay, find another one, guys. I see shadowed in there. Wow, what is that? That is a cow. Wow. Very nice, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. We get a lot of animals. Woo!